I'm Jim Schuback, and welcome to this week's Trend of the Week video. This week's Trend of the Week is COVID is hitting China again. You thought it was all over, but it's not. We've got a new second wave, and what happens, it has happened here, will happen here again, is after about 6 months, we see immunity drop off. People who were infected or exposed lose their immunity, and you get a resurgence of the virus. We also got a new variant, XBB. But what we're looking at, according to the little data we have, and we have very little data because China's Center for Disease Control has stopped reporting weekly figures. Hey, why report figures when we're in the middle of the health emergency? Anyway, it looks like, from what we can tell, is that we're going to see a peak of weekly infections of about 65, at a rate of 65 million at the end of June. That's going to be up from about 40 million at the end of May. So a fairly big ramp, but 65 million sounds like a lot. But if you put it in the context of the last big wave, we were seeing 35 million infections a day. This is China, it's a big country, 1.4 billion people. But 35 billion infections a day during the big outbreak. Now we're only going to see a bump up to 65 million a week. But if you look at the Chinese economy, which is struggling to get back to a 5% rate and suffering from a real horrendous level of youth unemployment, and we don't mean 13-year-olds, we mean college graduates running at 25% or so, probably north of 25% right now. You've got an economy that's struggling. If we get shutdowns, either nationwide, which I doubt, local, good possibility, factory by factory, got some possibility, people staying home because they don't want to go out, even if there's nothing official. All this is not going to help Chinese economic activity. And we're looking at, I think, a real a bite taken out of the growth rate, which looked like it was edging back toward 5%. And one of the consequences of this has been Chinese stocks have basically sort of stagnated because we're not going to see the big positive jump in economic activity that we were hoping to see when COVID went away, because COVID is back again. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up if you can like a COVID video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. That way you get notification when we do the next one. We're doing about 3 a week. If you want more of my stuff, you can go to my free site, that's SchubackPicks.com. And if you want 6 portfolios instead of the 3 on the free site, you can go to my paid site, that's SchubackAM.com. And there we do some ETFs and some shorting. And one of the things I'm going to be looking at this week and posting in the next couple of days is some ideas about whether it's time to short one of the Chinese ETFs. So watch out for that coming. If you subscribe to the channel, you'll know when it happens. Thanks very much for watching.